So in this video, we're going to talk about editing the content of the pages of your R-Square website. As you can see, when you first set up a trial, we've put in some content there for you, and it's just example content to give you a few ideas about what you might write on the various pages. You may find it useful, or you may find that you have a plan already and you want to delete that. We'll just go back to the editor now, and if you go to website, pages and sections, you'll see the site tree listed on the left hand side, and you can click on any one of the pages to edit the content. So we're in the home page at the moment, and you can see that when you click on a page, it automatically opens to the first tab, which is the content tab. So you can see the containers that are set up on that page. You see them down here, and you can hover over them to preview the content in this panel on the right hand side. We're going to click onto the bottom left just to open up the editor for this particular container. So you can see that you can type straight into the editor. I'm just going to put in a subheading, and you use these icons then to format your content. So one of the ones I'm going to show you is how to make a heading, because it's quite important. Google uses headings to sort of categorize content and to prioritize what's more important. So to make a subheading, you just highlight the text and then you choose whatever size heading that you like. You can use the icons to make things bold, italicize words. You can create a link. So to do that, you would just highlight the word, press the link icon, and you can type in a URL if you know which one you want to link to. Or if you press choose and upload, it gives you an option to link to a file that you've already uploaded, for example, a PDF, or you can link to one of the pages on the website. So you can choose to link to the About Us page. And you can see that link appear. You can upload an image using the editor. You just click on the image icon, choose upload, and then if you've got any files already uploaded, they'll be listed here. If not, you just click upload image and you'll be able to choose a file from your computer. Just cancel that for now. You can add a widget. We'll talk more about what those are later on, but this is how you would add a widget that you've already created to your website. So for example, a map or a news panel. You can create a table, justify your content, create bullet points, etc. So just to scroll down and show you some more options, if you click on that to expand, you can use our drafts to show you what's changed, so you can see the changes that I've made there. They're highlighted, and you can use that to copy stuff that you maybe want to revert back to. You can see all the old versions over here. You can swap with other content on the page. So if I wanted to swap this container with the bottom middle, I can do that really easily, which is nice. So you can see this one has switched over. Just go back in there. I can discard this content. So I'm just going to show you how you would use this. This comes in useful if you want to change the layout of the page. So currently this page has 4 different containers. I'll just publish that and show you. So you can see it's got 4 containers. If I only wanted to have 3 containers, the editor is going to have an issue with that. So I'll just show you what happens. So go to the layout. Say we want to choose this one. It's got 1, 2, 3 containers on it. But you can see you get an error message saying that the page template doesn't have enough containers to fit the existing content because you currently have 4. So what you would do then is just go back to the content, choose a container that you want to get rid of this. So say you want to get rid of this content, or you could copy and paste this content into another container. Then you choose more options and discard this content. Click discard, and you can see this container then goes white. Then we go back to the layout tab, and I'll choose this container, this layout, that I want, and you can see that's changed over fine. So that's when you would use that discard this content link. Just clicking on the settings, you can see that's just for checking the content for broken links. And then further below the more options, you've got a preview, and that allows you to preview any changes that you've made, what it actually looks like on the website. Because it does look a bit different to what it looks like in the editor. Then you can use save as a draft. So what this does is if you have a version of a container that's live on the web and you're working on changing it but you're not quite ready to show people yet, you can use that option. If you do, you'll notice that the container goes stripy in the editor. You don't really need to worry about that when you're on a trial site. People are unlikely to find your trial site because it's on the temporary.airsquare domain. It's more when your website's live and you don't want people to see changes that you're working on. And obviously publish just publishes the content in this container and makes it live on the page. So that's a quick little introduction to editing the content of your website. Thanks for watching.